If your Epic Games Launcher installer is ending prematurely, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can solve the problem fast. This issue usually happens when the installer gets blocked by permissions, a leftover Epic Games folder, or even antivirus software interfering with the setup. So if you've been stuck with that annoying setup wizard error, follow along carefully and we'll get it sorted out. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to open Task Manager. To do that, right-click the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and choose Task Manager. If you don't see it there, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open it directly. Once Task Manager is open, look for the option that says Run New Task. You may also find it under the File menu as Run New Task. Click Run New Task and a small box will appear. Now click Browse and find the Epic Games Launcher Installer.msi file on your computer. This is the installer file you originally downloaded, so make sure you select the correct one. After you've located it, select it and then check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. This is very important because the installer often needs elevated permissions to complete properly. Once that box is checked, click OK to run the installer as administrator. In many cases, this alone can fix the setup wizard ended prematurely error because Windows is now giving the installer the access it needs. If you still run into the same issue, the next step is to remove any leftover Epic Games files that may be causing a conflict. Open File Explorer and go to /program files x86. If you don't see anything there, also check /program files. Inside one of those locations, look for a folder named Epic Games. If you find it, delete that folder completely. Why do this? Because sometimes a failed or partial installation leaves behind corrupted files, and when you try again, the new installer runs into the old data and fails. Clearing out the old Epic Games folder gives the launcher a clean slate to install properly. Now, if the issue still continues, there's one more thing to try, and that is temporarily disabling your antivirus software. Some antivirus programs can mistake the Epic Games installer for a threat and stop the setup from finishing. Open your antivirus program and turn it off temporarily just long enough to run the installer again. After that, launch the Epic Games installer one more time and see if it completes successfully. If it installs correctly, great. The issue was most likely caused by a security conflict, but this part is really important. Once the installer finishes, re-enable your antivirus immediately. You never want to leave your computer unprotected for longer than necessary. So to recap, the fix is run the installer from Task Manager with admin privileges, delete the old Epic Games folder from program files, and temporarily disable antivirus if needed before trying again. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the setup wizard ended prematurely error and get Epic Games Launcher installed properly. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, gaming fixes, and PC tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.